Where's your sleeper at? Right there? We're leaving. You're not, no, you're already told to leave. You're trespassing. So let's grab your shoe. Let's get out of here.
I'm feeding off of your fucking energy, not fucking mine.
James.
I'm feeding off your fucking energy,
James.
not my fucking energy.
James, for a moment.
I'm good people,
James.
I'm good people.
You remember me for a moment.
On November the 23rd, 2022, at approximately 8:12 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a local Walgreens drugstore on a call about a man sleeping in the store and refusing to leave.
I have a gentleman. He's been in my store for about 40 minutes now, refusing to leave. He's sleeping in my photo chair.
Okay.
The officers arrived on scene, made contact with the male, and under threat of arrest for trespassing, the man begrudgingly agreed to leave the store. Unfortunately for him, he had warrants for his arrest. Therefore, he was placed under arrest and taken to jail. The rest, they say, is history.
Where's your sleeper at? Right there? Morning.
I think I did it right. I'm not positive.
Wake up. Wake up. It's police. What you doing, ma'am? Alright. You done got snot run down your face, ma'am. What are you doing here?
You don't have to. I mean, it's just.
Hey, you gotta get up.
Wanted a confirmation.
You gotta get up. You can't be sleeping here.
I'm sleeping here, my foot.
You have, yeah.
You gotta stand up. We gotta leave this building.
You're good to go. Thank you.
I'm gonna do this the nicest way possible, but I need you to cooperate with me, okay? Well, let's go. I know you're tired.
I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
No, I'm not.
Well, if you got energy, then let's go ahead and stand up and start walking.
No, I'm standing up because my foot is hurt.
Okay, would you like an ambulance to look at your foot?
No.
You need medical attention? I don't have any tissues. Might find some somewhere else.
Can you see if I got some?
No, I don't think they're in the mood to help you right now. You're not being very cooperative.
Well,
So you can get up and start walking, or you can be placed under arrest.
for what?
Trespassing.
Trespassing?
Yeah.
How much trespassing?
Well, I just asked you to leave on behalf of the store, and you're not. So if you don't leave, you will be arrested. So let's get up, start moving. I told you I was going to do this nicest way possible.
Back there, paper towel, napkin.
This is me being nice. What are you doing? You got money?
No, I don't.
Why'd you leave your shoe back there?
My foot is hurt, man. You didn't hear me the first time?
I did hear you, but you can't just, you don't live here. This isn't your place. You can't be leaving your stuff everywhere. What's wrong with you?
I'm just saying, you
can't just come in someplace, take off your shoes, and start kicking it.
Energy. You just keep saying that this and that. That's not me, sir.
There's rules.
That's not me. That's not me.
You're not following the rules.
What rule is me coming in here and getting some tissue, blowing my nose, and getting the fuck out of here?
Taking off your shoes and camping out.
Okay, if your foot was fucked up, would you have it on? No. Okay.
Where do you live? Okay. You don't even know where you're going. You just stop right now.
I'm going right back here.
We're leaving. You're not, no, you're already told to leave. You're trespassing. So let's grab your shoe. Let's get out of here. That's the rule. It's the only option. What's your name, bub? You're required to give me that information. 2 other officers just showed up. You look, I already told you, you're not buying anything.
Why can't I?
Because you're trespassing.
All right.
What's your name? What's your name? Told you I was going to do this the nice way as long as you cooperate. Right now, you're not
Get my bag
cooperating.
and I'm getting out of here.
Well, you're going to give me your
name.
name. Good shoe on. Look, she got you a tissue. Do you guys want him trespassed? Okay. Thanks. Hold up a second. Stop right there.
Told me to leave, I'm leaving.
Okay, listen, I told you to stop.
Man, why did you grab
So
me
what you're
like
gonna
that?
do is you're gonna stop because I told you
Okay,
to. I told you I need your name and
My
information.
name is James Bennett.
Okay, you could have stopped and given me that a minute ago, but you're sitting here playing games.
Listen, that is not necessary.
It is necessary.
What for what?
James
What?
Bennett.
For what?
What's your birthday, James Bennett?
James, what's your birthday?
Okay. All right. Now get
You
off
got any
my...
warrants or anything?
No, I don't.
Okay, we're gonna double check
Why
that.
is you on me like that?
Because
Let
you
me go. I
are
can
not
sit-
cooperating.
Let me go.
Answer her question.
What's your social? I'm gonna find it one way or another. You might.
I can tell you, man.
You can't tell
But
me?
this is not necessary for him to
Okay,
have me like
okay.
that.
Well, you were trying to walk out. You were trying to walk out. So just talk to me.
You told me
Just
to
talk-
leave.
I know. And then he asked you, and then he told you to
Okay,
stop.
I
What's your
left.
social?
Them other
James.
folks.
James.
I'm good people.
James.
Okay?
James.
I'm 49.
Focus
okay?
on her.
Mr.
Loving,
Bennett.
caring family.
Congratulations, I'm 43.
Right. Okay? I'm old school. You don't have to do that.
Mr. Bennett.
Let me go and I'll talk to you like I am talking to you,
You had.
now.
I was here for 10 minutes.
Come
You
on,
refused
man.
to do that.
That's
Answer her
history.
question.
That's history. That
Answer
is
her.
history.
Answer her question.
That was history.
Come over here and sit on the front bumper of my car.
Jesus Christ. Let me go.
No, my name's also not
What
Jesus
did you,
Christ.
what did you grab me for? You said go over there?
Because I told you to stop and you didn't
Listen,
stop.
I'm not the mother
okay,
folks.
listen, you're gonna
Why'd
walk
you-
over to my car. You're gonna sit over by my bumper.
I am.
Walk
You
over my
know
car. Sit on the bumper.
I can walk over
Okay,
there.
let's
I
do
can
it.
walk over there, man. What is
Sit
wrong
down.
with you?
Sit down.
I can walk over there. What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Ain't nothing wrong with me. You got all the negative ass energy. You got all the negative ass energy, not me.
Would
You
like
came in there, you told me to leave, I'm leaving. Then you fucking grab me like this and shit. Told
told you to stop.
I'm just saying you told me to walk over there and all this dumb shit.
Sit
I
down.
can walk.
Sit
I'm
down.
49.
I'm 49.
I'm old school.
No, you're not.
I'm not the mother folks.
Sit down.
I'ma sit down, man. Why are you pushing me?
You're about to go face down.
For what? For what? What's wrong with y'all, man?
chill, man.
What is wrong with y'all? With all this negative ass fucking energy. You can't fucking just talk to me like a regular human being that's fucking old school.
I tried that.
You the same?
If you have, yeah.
You gotta stand up and we gotta leave this building.
You're good to go. Thank you.
I'm gonna do this the nicest way possible, but I need you to cooperate with me, okay?
Alright,
Let's go. I know you're tired.
I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
No, I'm not.
Well, if you got energy, then let's go ahead and stand up and start walking.
Well, I'm standing up because my foot is hurt.
Okay, would you like an ambulance to look at your foot?
No.
You need medical attention?
I gotta take some tissue.
I tried
Why am
that.
I screaming? Because y'all up here, listen, I'm feeding off of your fucking energy,
No, you're
not fucking mine.
James,
I'm
James,
feeding off your fucking energy,
James.
not my fucking energy.
James, for a moment.
I'm good people's,
James.
I'm good people's.
Humor me for a moment, James.
I'm good fucking people's.
Humor
Y'all
me.
coming in here with all
James.
this motherfucking negative ass fucking energy. That's what the fuck you getting back. Then you ask me fucking questions like, where you?
What's your name? It's not a difficult question.
No.
Okay.
Listen,
Anything?
listen.
Hey,
Listen.
James, stand up for me. Stand up for me. It does show that you have a couple, okay?
A couple of what?
Warrants.
Warrants for what?
I don't know.
What do I got a warrant
You have a
for?
couple for failure to appear. Drop that out of here for me. Drop that out of here. Thank you.
Tracy up here.
Yeah. She has some court dates that
I don't
may have
know.
been anonymous.
I don't know.
Okay, well, we'll just figure it out.
I don't know.
He's got snot dripping all over him. You don't want to be.
Oh, I
What,
appreciate that.
can you just give me some more tissue? I can blow my nose.
Huh?
Our car, your car.
I don't care.
I don't
We'll put it in
care.
mine if you want.
You can go on.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Not in my pocket.
I have those.
I got a box in my trunk. I promise. I was nice to them before you guys got there.
It don't make no fucking difference. It's fucking nothing.
If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't.
Right. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. It don't make no fucking difference. I ain't
Right.
did shit.
Right, we just gotta.
But I'm just saying, you coming in here with all this negative ass energy,
Alright, well-
and you expect to get some fucking
You
good
were
energy.
in Walgreens, man.
Listen, my foot is hurt.
Why'd your foot hurt?
Okay.
Why'd your foot hurt?
I don't know. But I'm just saying, you feed negative energy, that's what the fuck you gonna get back from me. I don't talk like that. I don't talk like that. You know? I don't fucking grab on people and want to fucking just do dumb shit. I don't know, man. Just fucking pat me the fuck down and do what you gonna do. I don't know. I don't know. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay.
If you had any needles, what was it?
Okay. Man, listen, just pat me the fuck down.
I'm not trying to get poked by a needle, dude.
Well then, what do you expect me to do?
Tell them where the needles are.
Man, listen, I said I don't know.
Where do you
I
normally?
don't fucking
Where do you
know.
normally
Where
put
do you
them?
normally keep them?
Huh?
Where do you normally put
Man,
them?
man, what did you ask me about some fucking needles for? Do I look like a fucking junkie?
I'm asking.
Man, come on now.
What does a junkie look like?
Question.
I don't know. All this negative ass fucking energy is fucking crazy as fuck. Don't ask me shit else because I don't know fucking shit. That shit's silly as fuck. No fucking sense. You can't even fucking come in and talk to somebody like they fucking, you know what I'm saying? I'm fucking 49. I'm not with this new fucking way of life, all this negative ass shit, disrespect. You know what I'm saying? Shit don't make no fucking sense. Yeah, the same old dumb ass shit over and over. Y'all know who the fuck I am.
Who are you, James?
Shit silly as fuck. No, you don't.
We don't.
Man, listen, just like I seen you and you seen me.
That's why we asked
I'm
you
the
who you
same
were.
motherfucker. Same motherfucker.
Okay.
Shit. Come on, all this dumb ass shit. Same motherfucker.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can see.
Okay. Shit. Neither one of
Yes.
Really? Yeah. Must have gave you the wrong name. Oh, that's not him.
No, definitely not him.
It's really old.
I ain't never been in trouble nowhere. Motherfuckers always fucking with me.
Okay.